We'll guide you through how to fix YouTube sound not working through Bluetooth and not playing through Bluetooth. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem, so we'll guide you through how you can go and fix it, because perhaps you want to go and play it through a speaker or headphones. So let's get started. So we do need to come out of YouTube, swipe up, find your settings. You can always go and search settings at the top. First of all, come into your connections. You need to find Bluetooth and find the device. Press the gear or cog icon to the right. Just make sure the audio here is switched on. Now come back, come down, and you need to find sounds and vibration and tap there. Now you want to scroll down until you can find separate app sound. If you're struggling to find this, you can try searching in the top right, separate app sound. Then what you want to do is try turning this off. Otherwise, it may try and go and separate it. That should be it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.